Morning, dear children. Welcome to your poetry class. Today we'll read a wonderful poem that is Wandering Singers, written by Sarojini Naidu. First, let us talk about the poet Sarojini Naidu. बच्चे Sarojini Naidu, as we all know, was not only a renowned poet but also a great freedom fighter and politician. Beta, Sarojini Naidu was not only a poet but she was also a freedom fighter and politician. She was born on the 13th of February 1879. Her poetry always revealed the heart and soul of India and its people. Affectionately, Gandhiji called her the Nightingale of India. But a nightingale is a bird who has a very melodious voice. So Gandhiji used to call her the Nightingale of India. Why? Because most of her poems had a musical quality which could be sung and recited in a very easy and enjoyable manner. बेटा उनकी जो पोइट्री थी वो इतनी म्यूजिकली रिलेटेड थी कि इट कुड बी संग विथ a very enjoyable manner. Everyone enjoyed her poetry. She used to write about the people, simple people around her, their culture, their customs, their beliefs. Okay, let's read the poem. First, let's read the first stanza. Where the voice of the wind calls our wandering feet through echoing forest and echoing street, with lutes in our hands, ever singing we roam, all men are our kindred, the world is our home. Wandering means traveling aimlessly. But what is the meaning of wandering? Wandering means traveling aimlessly from one place to another. Wandering singers refers to a group of people or a group of folk singers. But do you know what is the meaning of folk singers? You must have heard about folk songs, which means songs of a particular community. किसी community के बेटा particular songs which are very traditional, which are being carried on from one generation to another. बेटा वो songs जो एक generation से दूसरी generation तक carry होते हैं. Like जहाँ पे हम लोग, you must have seen that whenever we go to the weddings, there are some traditional songs that we speak. So these are like the folk songs which are carried from one generation to another. Songs which talk about our customs, beliefs, etc. So here Sarojini Naidu is talking about the wandering singers which wander from one place to another, from town to town, village to village, to spread the message of love through their singing. यहाँ पे ऐसे वॉन्डरिंग सिंगर्स की बात हो रही है बेटा जो वॉन्डर करते हैं, जो घूमते हैं फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. आइदर इट इज़ अ टाउन, इट इज़ अ विलेज. वो घूमते हैं एंड स्प्रेड द मैसेज ऑफ लव थ्रू देयर सिंगिंग. So here in the first stanza, the wandering singers are addressing to the audience. They are saying that we move with the voice of the wind. Means we move with the direction of the wind. Okay, now the wandering singers are saying that हम लोग घूमते हैं. कैसे घूमते हैं? With the direction of the wind means जहाँ हमें हवा ले जाती है हम वहीं चले जाते हैं. Means they have no destination. जहाँ चलते जाते हैं जहाँ उन्हें wind ले जाती है वो वहीं उस तरफ उस direction में चलते जाते हैं. Okay. Then through echoing forest and echoing street, they go through the cities as well as the forests where their voice echoes, जहाँ उनकी आवाज़ गूंजती है. What is the meaning of echoes? Means गूंजना. They have lutes in their hands. What are lutes? बच्चे lutes are a kind of instruments like guitars. Like guitars have the strings, similarly lutes also have strings. So with these lutes in their hands, they sing around, spreading the message of love and joy. वो मैसेज लव एंड जॉय का मैसेज स्प्रेड करते करते अपने हैंड्स में लूट्स लेकर अपनी वॉइस को एक्विंग करते हुए चलते जाते हैं. ठीक है. ओके, नेक्स्ट लाइन इज ऑल मैन आर आर किंड्रेड, द वर्ल्ड इज आर home. Now here they are saying that they treat all the men as their family. What do you mean by kindred? Kindred means one's relatives. like a group of related individuals, जो जिनको आप रिश्तेदार बोलते हो. Okay, they are the kindreds. Now the wandering singers are saying that we don't have a particular place, or we don't have any particular kindred. All the men are their family. The whole world is their home. So let's read the second paragraph. Our lays are of cities whose lustre is shed, the laughter and beauty of women long dead, the sword of old battles, the crown of old kings, and happy and simple and sorrowful things. Now the second paragraph talks about the themes on which the songs are based on. So their songs are basically based on the glories of the cities that has been lost. Like our lays are of cities whose lustre is shed, means lays means songs. Now they are saying that our songs are of those cities whose shine, lustre means shine, whose shine is shed. They have no more shine in it. And the laughter and beauty of the women of the old times, which is now no more. Now the laughter and beauty of the women is also not there. Means they are trying to say that today's world is full of jealousy and hatred. Means nowadays there is no love among the people. So all the beauty of the cities have been lost. Okay. They are also talking about the old battles, the old kings who took to those battles, and some won and the other lost the battles. But they are also talking about the kings and the battles. Kings, जब उस टाइम पे किंग्स बैटल्स फाइट करते थे और कुछ तो वन करते थे और कुछ बैटल्स को लूज कर देते थे, कुछ हार जाते थे, कुछ जीत जाते थे. So they are also talking about those kings and battles. So their songs are based on all these things. Okay. The songs also talk about the happy and the sad things. उनके songs happy और sad moments के बारे में भी बताते हैं. So they talk about the various things in their songs, especially about the old things which have been lost. उनके songs में बेटा ये चीज़ नज़र आती है, especially वो चीज़ें नज़र आती हैं जो कि lost हो चुकी हैं. Now they are no more. Now they don't exist. Let's come to the last paragraph, that is the third paragraph. What hope shall we gather? What dreams shall we sow? Where the wind calls our wandering footsteps, we go. No love bids us tarry, no joy bids us wait. The voice of the wind is the voice of our fate. Now, so what they say? They say that what kind of hopes do we gather? What dreams do we have? Now, bache, they are saying basically they do not have any hope or dream. They just go with the flow of the wind. Wherever the wind takes them, they do not have a particular destination in mind. They just move around as the wind takes them from one town to another, from one village to another. Means they have no hopes, they have no dreams of their own. Okay, then where the wind calls our wandering footsteps, we go. Wherever the wind takes us, we go to that side. No love bids us tarry, no joy bids us wait. But a tarry means to stay in one place. What do you mean by tarry? To stay in one place. Now they are saying that there is no love that can stop us, nor there is any joy which makes them wait. They are saying that there is no love. We don't have a love with a particular person, or there is no one is our beloved. So we just move on. We have no love that can stop us. Okay, and there is no joy that can make us wait. So they do not wait for any love or joy. They have to move on as in the wind. They do not stop for anything, beta. Neither for love nor for joy. Okay, so the last line is the voice of the wind is the voice of our fate. Now here they are trying to say that the voice of the wind is the voice of our fate, means the voice of the wind is the only voice that we listen to. ओके वो कह रहे हैं कि सिर्फ विंड की वॉइस ही है, हवा की आवाज़ ही है जो हम सुनते हैं. दिस वॉइस टेक्स अस अराउंड प्लेसेस, फ्रॉम वन प्लेस टू अनदर. सो वी डू नॉट हैव एनी डेस्टिनेशन इन माइंड, राइट? So they are trying to say that we do not have any destination. हमारी कोई मंजिल नहीं है. We are born to move. हम सिर्फ चलते जाते हैं with the direction of the wind. I hope you all must have understood this poem. It's a very good poem, beta, and it gives us a message also, a very good message. So this poem gives us a wonderful message that we should be satisfied with our life as God has given us. Like the wandering singers were satisfied with their journey from one place to another. Okay, children, we always remember our journey to a place where we have been to. Okay, we never remember the destination. We always talk about our journey, the moments that we had enjoyed during that time. ओके आप किसके बारे में बात करते हो जब आप कहीं जाते हो? आप अपने ट्रैवलिंग के बारे में बात करते हो, जर्नी के बारे में बात करते हो. दैट वी एंजॉयड अ लॉट, वी डिड दिस ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम, वी डिड दैट ड्यूरिंग दैट टाइम. Okay, so similarly, though the wandering singers had no destination, yet they enjoy their journey. They keep on moving from one place to another. Similarly, beta, we should also not stop moving. Okay, we should continue moving in our life. We should not be distressed if we have struggles in life. Okay, we should face all the obstacles and keep on moving.